Hi everyone, it's me, Diana, the Doll Fairy. You might remember that when I made my Fable doll in the collaboration with Enchanterium for Valentine's Day, I decided to make her a unicorn character, and that meant that I needed a unicorn horn for her. And Kitten Cat Shop volunteered to help me out with that, and they developed these prototypes for 3D printed unicorn horns that ended up working just perfectly. Kitten Cat Shop is owned and operated by Anna and Cory, who are extremely active in the Smart Doll community and are always full of good ideas and helpful advice. On their website, kittencatshop.com, and their Etsy shop, you can find various Smart Doll jewelry, including magnetic earrings, which are awesome because they don't require you to modify your doll in any permanent way. They also sell handmade doll clothing, patterns for doll clothing, and now various doll cosplay accessories, including the unicorn horn, along with magnetic animal ears and horns, which are all easy to install and remove. Kitten Cat Shop not only sent me the unicorn horns, but at the same time I purchased some earrings from their shop that I didn't get to try out yet, so I'd like to try those out. And they also sent me a bonus surprise to say thank you for the collaboration and the mention, which was really nice because, I mean, they really helped me out. So, so let's open it up and check out what's inside. Okay. All right. How exciting. We have a cute little box with the Kitten Cat logo sticker on it. And it's wrapped in my favorite color. And a little note, which I will read. Oh, it's a thank you card. That's so sweet. Okay, so they said in the note that in here are some earrings that are meant for Fable, so to go along with her unicorn horn and unicorn theme. So that's really exciting. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, hold on. This one's like turned to the side a little bit. I want you to be able to see it the right way. Okay, so here's an angle. Hopefully you can see them a little bit better. So they have like a round crystal on the top and then a larger crystal that dangles beneath it. And the crystals are multicolored, like Aurora Borealis crystals, which I love, and which go perfectly with the accents on Fable's outfit. So when they sent me the unicorn horn, I also ordered this earring kit, which comes with the little studs and the magnets to install. And I ordered this pair of earrings as well, which have the little dream catchers on them, and I've just seen them on other dolls and I just think they're so cool, and I think they would look perfect on my Envisage. So anyway, but since they sent me these special ones for Fable, let's try those out to see how the kit works. They did send me the instructions for how to install the jewelry kit, so I'm going to read those and then we will try to install the earrings. Okay, so here is her head. First thing we need to do is remove the wig and remove the wig cap, which is hilariously too small for her head. Okay, there we go. All right. Now we're gonna take, they said to try it first with the belly button stud because it's a little bit smaller, so it can help you get a more accurate placement. The instructions are very detailed, but I think they're also pretty straightforward at the same time. So I'm supposed to, I think, put this where I want it. This is hard to do because it's so tiny. Okay. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna hold it there where I want it, and then place this on the other side of it. There we go. And that should basically just about right. All right, so there we go. So now the next thing we need to do is take a square of our sticky tack. And we're gonna knead this a little bit. And then we're going to stick it on top of the magnet. So I gotta make sure that this stays in place and stick this on top of the magnet. I moved it down. Okay, but now I can adjust it. Here we go. This is cool. All right, and now I just need to stick down. There we go. Okay, and that's pretty good. That's really all, I think. Let's do it for the other side, and then we can try on these fancy earrings. All right, I'm gonna place that right here. Place this on the other side. Now I think I have it the wrong way because it's being all weird. Magnets are so interesting. Okay, let's try again. Oh my gosh. That's kind of cool. It just flew right up there. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, got my other one in place now, and I'm gonna try to keep it where it is. Oh, no, I just messed it up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I did it. I installed the magnets, and here's how it looks with the little studs in there. But let's put these on and see how they look. Ta-da! It's hard for you to see because of the angle here, but they work. Very, very easy. I mean, the hardest thing was just getting the magnet in place, but that really was a lot easier than, like, for instance, putting in their eyes. That's way harder. So I am definitely happy with how easy that was. I think I need to adjust this though. Pretty.
And here is a much better look at the earrings on Fable. They have that perfectly magical, ethereal feeling about them, and they suit her style so well. You can see here that I dressed her in the top from her wedding dress that I made her, along with the matching detached sleeves, but instead of dressing her in the skirt, I paired the top with some of my floral jeans that I made for a casual look. The dangly earrings automatically add all this elegance to your doll. Fable looks sweet and innocent, but also mature with that bit of sparkle framing her face. Now I want to try the Dreamcatcher earrings on a different doll, so I'm going to remove the magnets from inside Fable's head. It's extremely quick and easy. Here's my Envisage. Her name is Muse. I think the Dreamcatcher earrings will suit her perfectly. All I need to do now is the same thing as before. Line up the earring where I want it to be placed on the outside of the head, while placing the magnet in the corresponding spot inside of the head. I secure the magnet with the putty, and then I can adjust its position a bit to get just the perfect spot. If you buy enough of the earring kits for each of your dolls to have one, you can easily give them earrings whenever you want without even having to remove the wig or the head from the body. Once the magnets are installed, it's insanely easy to switch up the earrings anytime. I need to gush for a bit about how beautiful Muse looks with these dramatic earrings on either side of her face brushing against her shoulders. I have a deep love for very large earrings, and although I don't personally wear them as often as I used to, putting them on my dolls is absolutely the next best thing. I put Muse in these shorts made by HalesDolls, which have a delicate feather print that goes perfectly with the earrings, along with a t-shirt that I made. And just wow, she looks so stunning. Muse is my most photogenic doll, in my opinion. I would like to thank Anna and Cory from Kit & Kat Shop for all of their help and generosity when it came to creating the unicorn horn for Fable, as well as sending me this lovely surprise of a delicate pair of crystal earrings for her to wear. Definitely take a look at kitandcatshop.com, linked in the description, as well as their Etsy shop. And I guarantee you can find something that you'd like for your dolls. That's what happens to me when I look at their website. Right now, they have a bunch of new jewelry designs for fall and Halloween, so it's definitely worth checking out. And I'd like to say thank you to my patrons, whose support makes all of this doll magic possible. If you enjoy my videos and would like to help me make more of them, check out Patreon. Becoming a monthly supporter gets you access to bonus and behind-the-scenes content, participating in exclusive contests and collaborations, early access to my videos as well as exclusive patron-only videos and tutorials, and more. Check it out at patreon.com/thedollfairy. And thank you for watching this video. I'm working on a new custom doll video right now that's coming out later this month, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you all again soon for more doll magic. Bye!